I'm here to discuss an important topic. I'm in the workshop and thought I'd take this fuel filter apart. It's a $50 fuel filter if you think about that. There's an in, I think, for the gas, and I'm not sure what that is. And here's the other side. Looks like definitely out. Maybe gas comes out of here, but the smaller looks like a vacuum line of some sort into this device. So let's see what we get when we tear this apart. Preparing to cut this fuel filter down the middle. To open it up, we can remove this rubber piece, and now you'll see it's ready to cut. I'm going to start cutting with the hacksaw, and I'm in the workshop on a bench, but I would recommend that you make sure your fuel filter is completely dry before you attempt this inside. I've let this drain for about a week now, and I'm ready to open it up. Yeah, smell a little gas right now, which is okay. It's part of what the filter has retained. I expect that. Don't want to get. Since I don't know what I'm dealing with on the inside of this, at least I know if I cut all the way down and at least through what I can see of the metal, then this has a likelihood that it will just pop open. So let's start on the other end. Just get the edges now. Finish up these two edges. I'm going to hope I can pull this apart. Let's see if I can cut down in there. Let's see what else we can do here. Could try this. It's nice that it's aluminum. Cuts easily compared to steel. The reveal here, what is inside. The bottom, right? You got the filter. There's an outside and an inside. This, I see some daylight in there, right? Into that. Now, this side. holes through the mechanism that I assume is just a one-way valve pushing through. This was at the front of the vehicle, and this is at the rear of the vehicle. So the in is in from the gas tank. In from the gas tank. Now, what happens is it appears that these notches allow the fuel to then surround the paper element and push into the inside, in which that the clean fuel arrives at these holes, which then push out into the engine. The final steps of disassembly, I figured I'd remove the paper cartridge by cutting the top off and removing it. You can see this is what's left of the spring that was in this area. And you can see the valve now from the bottom. So that green seal seals against the top. You can see the fuel, the way the fuel pattern is going through. These cuts are from the hacksaw. This is coming in from the fuel tank through here. Well, the in comes in around here, and then the out is here into this mechanism. You can see the outflow is here. This is a valve which goes into this. Definitely smelling a little more gas now. Keep those ICE cars running. Thanks for watching.